I'm going to show you how to replace the Saber Core. Got this from Imperial Workshop. So this stopped working for me, so I had to buy a replacement. So I got the Saber kit online on their website for $55. It's on sale. This is the V2, the DC port. I want to get the one with the USB-C. I emailed them. They said it won't work. I guess the size is a little bit off or something. So I got the DC instead. And the V3 costs $95. The V2 is $55. So I'd rather just save $40. Shipping costs $15. So yep. So got it. Send me this. Get the USB. Put your SD card in it. Comes with a wrench and the screws. The DC charging cable. And the replacement cord. Comes with a battery. And micro SD card. So this is my first time replacing it. Should be easy. Should be easy. Get the end wrench. Just remove these things. This is the Vega hilt. Vega 2.0 hilt. So all you gotta do is to remove the screws. Okay. Okay, just put it here. Okay, what I'm missing. Okay, I gotta push it. Okay. All right. This cover to take it out. Okay. Wait, was it? Should be this one. I think it's this one. Is it this one? It might be this one. Okay, it's not that one. Gotta make sure it's this way. Hope it's charged. If not, I have to charge it. Just tighten up. Okay. Okay. Put in the saber. I have to screw in the saber too. Gotta get the screws out. Some short ones and just long ones. Get the short ones. Okay, which one? I think it really matters. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just use a long one. There's different screws, but yeah, they all work. Might need to change to a shorter one over here. Right. Hopefully it's probably need to charge it. Yep, I need to charge it. Alright. Be back. So I did a quick charge about an hour and it's working. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.